What up guys, Charlie Clark here, and today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial because I've been skating this for a while. I made it on Saturday, I think it was. It's a little old school cruiser deck that I think was quite cool, and I think I'd like to share the way I made it. Basically what I got was how I did it was I got a regular fingerboard such as this, all round and all that, and I just got some sandpaper and sanded it down that way. So I'm just going to show you how I did it. So basically how to turn this into this. So yeah, things you will need for this tutorial is an unwanted deck with the shape that you like and no grip tape on it at all, and you like the shape and it's a nice shape for you, so you'd be able to do flip tricks and stuff. Just a regular fingerboard, just normal rounded, just an old unwanted one because you're going to be probably messing that up a bit. So yeah, some sandpaper, but I've got 2 pieces of skateboard grip because I don't have any sandpaper, so I'm just using these. And that's about it for part 1, but there's going to be 3 parts to this video. This one is actually shaping the deck. The second part is going to be putting a graphic on it and lacquering it, and the final piece of the puzzle, which is the third part, will be just taking the deck that's all lacquered and got the grip, the graphic on it, and putting grip and setting it up. So yeah, that will be, and also getting you to have a little final look at your product, the finished product. So the first thing you're going to need to do is find out the nose and tail. I know the nose and tail because I've made a little mark there. So you just get your sandpaper or grip tape in my way. In this sort of thing, I'm using grip tape because I don't have any sandpaper, like I said. And you find the tail and you just start to flatten it straight on, just flat. Don't do it too fast because you might get it wonky. You need to do it nice and slow and try and get the deck like straight. And so that way you get a nice straight edge when you come to finish it. So you just keep on doing this. So let's just close my door. Right. And you keep on doing this until you're happy with it. I'm probably going to do it a bit more. You can do it a bit faster. Doesn't matter if it goes a bit wonky, because then you can just like sort it out. You just don't want it wonky when you lacquer it. I'll put the you do begin to bring up a little bit of friction, so just be careful because it's hot, because the deck gets quite hot when you start pounding it down. I've got 2 pieces here because this wears out quite quickly, and this is for the tail, that's for the nose. The sandpaper stays a lot easier. So once you got it to the length you want, just like straighten it if you want, like if you're not happy with it. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Okay, I'm happy with that, roughly. Let's just do it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That's nice and straight, I think. Yeah, I would say that's straight. Would you guys say that's straight? Yeah. Okay, so once you got that, you start rounding off the edges. not too much because you still want to get that square bit. And I'm just going to compare, see if that's right, and that's the way I want it. That is about the same. Probably just flatten this a bit more. You just keep on going until you're happy with it. Okay. So, sorry about that. Just don't want to screw this up a bit. Okay, so that's fine, that edge is fine. Now you need to do is just point this bit a bit more, which is a lot easier. I'm just going to use this piece for that. And that's, you just do it like a little motion like this. It's very simple. You just do it until it's pointed, really. And I'm just comparing. You don't need to do it too much, just enough to be happy with it. Just do it until the flat of the board, and just like, whilst you're going along, just like curve it. So it's nice and lovely. Again, I'm just comparing. You guys can also cut out on a piece of paper the way you want it, and you can just like compare, draw it the way you want it, and then just compare like I am with the deck. Just do it with a piece of paper rather than an actual deck. If this is your first time making one, that is. Trying to line it up. Okay, I think that's about done. Yep. That's pretty much perfect. Now what you need to do, because we're all squared, I'd go around and like round off all the edges that you've sanded over. Don't need to do the side of the deck because you've already done that. Nice and easy. Just slowly just do that. Not too much, just a couple of scrapes, just to make it nice and smooth. And then just do it on this side. You might want to do it on the edge of the table. That's enough, I think. So that's that. Might get a bit of sawdust on your bench, or your workbench, or your table, whatever you're working on. But that's that so far. What I wanted to do, which I didn't do on this one, I wanted to make a little curve, just a really small one, just in the too much, just a little one. So just like put your thumb on the sandpaper and then just do a little thing like that. So and then just do the other side. Okay, so I think just a bit more. Really quick because I've got to go somewhere. So yeah, that is that. this is the final bit. Quite nice actually. As you can see, so that's basically it. So yeah, this is part 1, guys. Tune in for part 2, and I'll see you next time. See ya. For the graphic. I'm gonna put the graphic on this. Later, bye.